warning for Albemarle Sound, Alligator River, Croatan, and Roanoke Sounds. South of Prairie Tuck Beach, Light, North Carolina to Oregon Inlet, North Carolina out to 20 nautical miles until 5 p.m. At 3:35 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 nautical miles northeast of the mouth of the Perquimans River to Bull Bay Scuppernong River, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Kitty Hawk, Devil Hills, the center of the Albemarle Sound, the center of Croatan Sound, Artificial Reef 145, the mouth of the Perquimans River, Alligator River Bridge, Nag's Head, the vicinity of Moshus, Artificial Reef 140, Artificial Reef 130, the center of Roanoke Sound, Bull Bay Scuppernong River, Duck, and the mouth of the Alligator River. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Is approved to help reduce joint symptoms in adults with active psoriatic arthritis. Some patients even